Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In Part 1, we covered the initial inspection and diagnosis of a stuck car window. In this video, we'll explore advanced diagnostics and show you how to fix the problem. Let's get started. How to fix a car window that won't go up or down. Do you have a car window that refuses to move up or down? This common issue can be more than a minor inconvenience. It's not just about keeping the rain out or enjoying a cool breeze. Malfunctioning windows can pose serious safety risks. Many drivers face this frustrating problem due to electrical failures, switch malfunctions, or mechanical obstructions. In this guide, you'll learn how to identify the cause and find a solution, ensuring your windows work smoothly and your drive remains safe and comfortable. Inspecting the window regulator. The window regulator is a crucial part that moves the glass up and down. If it's damaged or worn out, it can jam the window. Remove the door panel by using a screwdriver to remove screws and clips holding the panel. Carefully pry the panel away to expose the regulator. Locate the regulator. It's usually a metal track with a cable or scissor-like mechanism attached to the window. Perform a visual inspection to check for obvious signs of damage like bent components, broken cables, or loose connections. Operate the window manually if possible, to see if it moves smoothly. Any stiffness or grinding needs to be addressed. Inspecting the regulator can reveal if it's the root cause of the issue. A damaged regulator often means the window can't move freely. Testing the window motor. If the motor isn't working, your window won't move at all. Bench testing can help verify the motor's condition. Remove the motor by disconnecting it from the window assembly and electrical connectors. Set up your test by placing the motor on a stable surface. Connect it to a 12 volts power source, such as a car battery, using jumper wires. Test operation by connecting one wire to the positive terminal and the other to the negative terminal. If the motor spins, it's working. Reverse the connections to check if it spins in the opposite direction. Signs of failure include the motor not moving or making a grinding noise, which indicates it's probably faulty and needs replacing. Bench testing the motor helps ensure it's functioning correctly. If the motor fails this test, replacing it should solve the window problem. By using these advanced diagnostic techniques, you can pinpoint the exact issue with your car window and take the necessary steps to fix it. Repair and replacement options. When your car window refuses to budge, figuring out how to fix it can seem like a daunting task. Fortunately, there are a variety of repair and replacement options. Here, we'll cover both DIY repairs for common issues and when it's best to seek professional help. Repairs. Sometimes the solution is simpler than you think. If you're comfortable with basic car maintenance, you might be able to handle some common window problems on your own. Here are a few DIY tips and instructions. Replace fuses. A blown fuse can cut power to your window motor. Replacing it is straightforward. Locate the fuse box, usually found under the dashboard or in the engine compartment. Identify the correct fuse by consulting your car's manual to find the window fuse. Check the fuse by pulling it out and inspecting the metal filament. If it's broken, the fuse is blown. Replace the fuse by inserting a new one with the same amperage. Swap out faulty switches. A malfunctioning switch can stop your window in its tracks. Here's how to replace it. Remove the switch panel by using a screwdriver to gently pry it off. Disconnect the old switch by carefully unplugging the electrical connectors. Install the new switch by connecting it to the connectors and snapping it into place. Test the window to make sure the new switch resolves the issue. Fix the window regulator. If the window regulator is the issue, you may need to replace it. Remove the door panel by using a screwdriver to take off any screws and clips, then gently pry the panel away. Locate the regulator, typically found inside the door, attached to the window. Unbolt the regulator by using a wrench to remove the bolts holding it. Install the new regulator by aligning it properly, bolting it in, and reattaching the window. When to seek professional help. While DIY repairs can be tempting, some problems are best left to the professionals. Here are situations where seeking help from a mechanic is the way to go. Complex electrical issues. If your initial checks indicate wiring problems, it's time to consult a professional. Electrical work can be complicated and dangerous if you're not experienced. A certified mechanic can trace the issue more effectively and safely. Motor replacement. Replacing a window motor isn't always straightforward. It involves dismantling parts of the door and working with electrical connectors. Professional mechanics have the tools and expertise to handle this without damaging other components. Persistent problems. If you've tried DIY fixes and the window still doesn't move, there might be an underlying issue you can't easily detect. A professional mechanic can perform a thorough diagnosis and address any hidden problems. By following these suggestions, you can decide whether to tackle the problem yourself or bring in an expert. Either way, you'll be one step closer to a functioning car window. Addressing car window issues promptly is essential for both safety and comfort. This guide has covered common causes like electrical problems, mechanical failures, and motor issues, as well as steps for initial inspections and advanced diagnostics. Ignoring a stuck window can lead to more significant problems down the road. Don't let a simple fix turn into an expensive repair. If you're facing window problems, take action now. Whether you choose to troubleshoot yourself or seek professional help, swift resolution will keep your drive smooth and secure. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.